In this video, I'm going to show you two ways of how you can download Microsoft Outlook for free in 2023. So the first way is going to your Microsoft Store. Simply search for Microsoft Store in the search bar. Give it some time to load up. And then once the Microsoft Store has loaded, here we want to search for Office 365. Alright, so if we scroll down, as you can see, the Office 365 app is free, so click on it, and then right here it should say get instead of open. I already have this installed. Okay, the second way, if this doesn't work for you, is going to Google and again searching for Office 365. And then you want to log in into the official Microsoft 365, so click on the website. Here it will ask you to log in with your Microsoft account. Now, right here at the top right corner, you should see this option called Install Apps. And as you can see, if you click on Microsoft 365 apps, this will include Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. So you click on this one and it's going to begin downloading it. After it has been downloaded, we want to click on it, click yes. And then this should begin installing Microsoft Outlook, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and all of those other tools that we might need. So I'm going to cancel this as I already have it. But after you have done this, if you search for Outlook on your computer search, you should have the application. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.